I will, of course, recommend inVOYAGE to my industry.
Absolutely, I would recommend inVOYAGE to my industry peers.
Yeah, absolutely. I definitely think that some of our Irish hotels would love it here.
Absolutely, yes. I would recommend inVOYAGE to other colleagues.
Yeah, absolutely. It's my first time, but definitely not the last time.
My favourite inVOYAGE moment was probably last night. I think it was quite spectacular to have the cocktails under the stars. I think it was just amazing.
Trying to compare this with other industry events is quite difficult. I think this is slightly sort of niche, and the beauty of this is it gives you a lot of one-to-one time with suppliers and other industry professionals.
What will be the future of the event industry? And I think we have to think ahead, and this is what inVOYAGE is doing, which is really good for me.
To say one of the things that we've noticed is how well organised the event is. It has been seamless from the day we arrived in Monte Carlo until today as we finish. The whole 9 yards has been exceptional.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand.
So ladies and gentlemen, please put your helmets together for Mr. David Coulthard.
In motorsport, we have a responsibility culture, we don't have a blame culture. So that mentality is where we just move on from things. So I don't really have any regret.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.
Ladies and gentlemen, delighted to introduce Kevin Gaskell to the stage.
We can inspire them by saying, this is where we're going. Look, it looks like this, and you are part of it. You are a key part of it.
When it rains, it pours. Water's up to my chin. Won't stop fighting to the very end.
And within those experiences, travelers are more and more looking for the new experiences, unique experiences, taking on things they've never done before.
Will you find me? Hope you find me.
You know, a year ago, we weren't really talking about this as an industry, as we are now.
Actually, will let you select venues and locations by sustainability.
How the more people do it, the more we create the movement.